Hi, in this video I will show you how to send pictures on the Gmail on the Android. So the process is pretty simple. So if you want to send pictures on the Gmail and you don't know how you can do it, so simply you have to follow this video. So first of all, open your Gmail on your Android, and once you will open it, log into your Gmail account, and you will see a compose option here. You have to tap on it. Once you will tap on it, you will see like you open a new email. Also you will see on the right top a pin icon. You have to tap on it, and from here you have to click on the attach file and go to the image from here. Now select any picture from here and enter the recipient email address and subject, and click on the send button from here. Once you will do it, picture will be sent. So this is the procedure to send any picture on the Gmail. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.